the 2008 Nissan Versa. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan offers innovative technology and equipment. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Fuel economy of 32 miles per gallon on the highway proves this vehicle's efficiency, saving you money at the pump. All of the following features are included: front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, power door mirrors, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, including just one previous owner. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.